My dear farmers, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to share some of the farmers continuously asking me, lot of products are available in the market on the name of biocompost, degradable material, or in powder form, in your liquid form, or tablet form, or it is in capsule form. And particularly some have asked for the Pusa, this our capsule. So I want to share because I have not used it, but as per their guidelines, 4 capsules they are putting in the water with the peanut your flour and multiplying it. So method has been given there, but 4 is enough for the 25 liter of water. And it is exclusively, people are confused there, they are asking they can use in the other fields just like waste decomposer. It is not like that. It is exclusively for the decomposition purpose, for the parali they are highlighting, so it is parali purpose. So if you are using other purpose, you may not get the results. And other thing I want to tell you, every time farmers are asking NCF waste decomposer, of Pusa waste decomposer, or any other institute decomposer, or any other product. So one thing I tell you, no government agency is making this product. It is, technology has been shared, as NCF has shared to some of the companies, they are doing it. Likewise, they have also, other institute also shared it. All the private companies are making it. Nobody can give the guarantee of the product if private is making, whereas nobody is maintaining or seeing the batch-wise results. Batch-wise efficacy is not tested. It is quality control is not done. It is simply people are making and using it. They are putting the name of the government, they are putting the name of agencies just to show the farmers, just to show the people that this quality is belong to government. So I again clarify it, government is not making it, government is only sharing the technology, and not a single thing they are produced. It is all the agencies, all the private companies, they are doing it. When you are purchasing it, it is your duty, you have to see whether this company have a facilities or not, because it has come to notice some company don't have infrastructures, no equipment, but even then they are mixing and putting solution and giving it. They are using the name of some institute, so that is wrong. If you are not authorized, don't use the name. Tomorrow you will be in trouble. If anything is happen in the field, if reports come, it will you to response, because it is a legal problem will create. So I request companies who are doing this mischiefs, please don't do it. If you are authorized, if you are maintaining the quality, you have to ask the agency where you have taken technology, they have to confirm it. And don't confuse the farmers. Ki waste decomposer, it is better or that is better. Whatever waste decomposer that I have shown you, ki waste decomposer once you are using, lifelong is not required. It is once you use continuously. After 1 year or 2 years, you can again charge it 1 bottle and use it continuously. It is even then without charging, without again reusing the mother culture, if you are using it, it can be run years to years because farmers are using it. But no other product on different name, people are selling it. I don't want to disclose its name, but it is in my knowledge, farmers have reported me, and some are making small, some are making big, some are making 1 liter. All products are not belong to any institutes. If they are rating the name, you can confirm from the institute whether they have a facilities or not. You can also visit the facility and see it. So, but as per my opinion, when you are purchasing it, you have to be very cautious. You have to see all the papers. You have to see the authorization. You have to see their quality. And if you are not getting results, you have to report it. So, but waste decomposer, if it is proper, results is promising, and that has only product which can be used multi-purpose. For the soil treatment, for the spray, for the making micronutrient, for making the stone element, this is the only product. No other product is there where you can use in multiple. Even animals, it is used, it is environmentally, and bacteria, it is more than enough bacteria. You cannot count in the liquid waste decomposer how many bacteria are there. We have shown some video, there I have shown the some results. In future, you will see how many bacteria, because lot of changes has been done, and it is in a liquid form. So that you use in proper way, and don't get confused. Whatever people are giving you different color, different name, and highlighting the government concept, government name, it is all wrong. And for industries, I request, please don't confuse for the sake of some small amount. You will be in trouble tomorrow if anything is gone wrong. So my farmers, they are using on the faith of the market, on the product, and if they are not getting the results, they are going to spoil their total crop. So it is not good. I hope कि persons who are selling the liquid on the name of waste decomposer, putting some jaggery, putting some your urine, putting some your flour inside just to show the color, it must be stopped. Thank you.